Welcome. We're going to practice the A sound. This is a beautiful practice. It's really simple. It's almost not a practice. It's something that we do naturally when we want to find comfort or relief, or when suddenly we get good news and we feel relieved. Um, After a long day of work or after an intense activity, we sit in the couch and we're just so relaxed. Yeah. So this is what we're going to be practicing. I decided to do a video of this practice because I just wanted to make sure that you could see, like, there's a gentle, first very gentle tightening of the body and then softening. So I thought that would be better seen in a video. So we'll go through the directions. Sit comfortably with your back straight and relaxed. When we sit comfortable with the back straight but relaxed, we align the navel, the center of the chest, and the center of the head. They are in a straight line. Right now I'm sitting cross-legged, but you could be sitting in a chair. It's also very good with feet flat on the ground, feeling rooted to the earth. And I'm recording this in my office, so people are coming in and out of the building. There's cars outside. Anything that you hear, anything that happens is included in the practice. It's very important to include everything we experience in our practice. Everything is part of our life. So sit comfortably with your back straight and relaxed. Bring your attention to the place and the moment where you are, wherever you are now. Just bring your attention to the place and to the moment. Experience the here-ness, the place, and the now-ness, the time. And invite your mind, allow your mind to be at ease. And now take 3 nice relaxing breaths, allowing your body to soften. Now it's very nice, the air conditioning kicked in this nice breeze. So that's a little bit what happens. We connect with the moment, and we feel present, and then we just activate this intention for our body to soften. So it's almost like when you drink some nice cool water when you're thirsty, or when you're hot. Now it's summer here, it's warm, so the air conditioning comes and just it just feels so nice. So we allow our body to soften. So take 3 nice breaths. Feel your mind very present, your body very relaxed, very soft and at ease. And then next time you inhale, hold the breath for a brief moment, and then purposely make, like when you exhale, make the sound it's like sighing. So you inhale, hold, and as you hold, there's a very, very slight tensing, like very slight, it's almost imperceptible. It's just the sensation of holding for a moment. And then soften, relax. Inhale. Then take a couple more regular breaths without doing any kind of sound, just breathing normal, natural. And then inhale again. Hold the breath. Again, inhale. You can do this at your own pace. Inhale, hold. This beautiful weight, like this beautiful sensation of relaxation of this any tension that comes, leaving the body, any tension that you might be experiencing, mental, physical. Again, inhale. This is telling the nervous system to switch from the state of stress, from the state of excessive attention, from the state of worry, into which is a state of a sympathetic nervous system, into a state of parasympathetic, which is a state of relaxation, of repair, of rejuvenation. So again, we'll do the sound. Inhale. Hold the breath. And again, we'll do the sound. Inhale. Inhale again at your own pace to make the sound. So you inhale. Feel the chest expanding. And then hold the breath. Whole body. I'm exaggerating the sound. You can just do very soft. Whatever you feel like doing, you can do it louder, more softer. The important thing is that gradually, after every sound, you notice the body softer, the mind more present, more clear, the heart more relaxed. Once more, inhale. Hold. So happy, so relaxed, so at ease. So naturally, when we go through the day and we encounter situations, we develop certain degrees of tension. Maybe your kids are playing out there and they are roughhousing, and you're kind of watching, or you're driving, or you're reading the news, or anything, you're writing a report, whatever you're doing. So we develop from the eyes, the head, and the jaw, the shoulders, especially the upper part of the body and the arms. We tend to develop this tension that constricts the inner organs, reduces blood circulation. So when we inhale, we become aware of our body, and then we just hold the breath for a moment. Then we exhale we're reminding our body to let go of all these tensions. And then after we have repeated this soft ah sound, this sighing sound, then we just rest in a state of openness. Here the instruction says, rest in a state of relaxed, mindful presence for 3 to 30 minutes. So you don't need me to sit here with you for 30 minutes watching the video. So we can just sit for a minute together. Feeling this beautiful sensation of openness, of relaxation, and at the same time of integrity, of firmness. It's like a soft, wakeful firmness that is very present and very relaxed. The ah sound is a sense of gratefulness towards one's own bodies, because we inhale and we are acknowledging our body. Oh, how wonderful, how exquisite. Imagine you just are having this very yummy ice cream, or you're having whatever it is, your favorite drink. You're having some nice water or some nice juice or whatever you like to drink, some nice wine or champagne, whatever you like. So nice. It's this sense of satisfaction, this sense of contentment, this sense of presence, this exquisite experience of being present, of being aware and awake, of being loving towards your body, towards your mind, towards your environment, being grateful. And all this is really healing, because then all the blood circulation, all the microcirculation that permeates all the organs, all the energetic channels that permeate the whole body and our surroundings, they become softer. And to finish your practice, always remember to dedicate the benefit of our practice here in page 21 of the, it must be 11, of the book. By the merit of having practiced healing meditation for the benefit of myself and all other beings, may all beings without exception be well and happy. May there be peace in all lands, prosperity in all households, and joy in all hearts, across all time and space. And may all the motivation prayers made for the well-being of beings become a reality. So this refers to all the beings in the world, in the universe, and also all the internal beings of our body, all the cells, all the organs, all the different functions. We are, our body is like a universe, or like a nation, or is made out of many different entities. So when we sigh in this way, when we make this sound ah, and then just very softly we rest, we invite this sense of inner harmony within us, and therefore around us, and with our closest family members, our friends, and then into our community and into our world. So thank you so much. I hope you put this to practice and you enjoy it. Thank you.